Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Dr. Saifullah, and I welcome you to this new video about financial planning. In this video, we will talk about personal financial planning. We have all got our own unique financial goals. You might be thinking to buy a new car, upgrading to a larger home, or going on the trip for the lifetime, or sending a child to college. And you can achieve this through financial planning. Financial planning is more than simply saving money. Actually, it is about the management of the money. To make your goals reality, you need to use a financial planning process that actually works. A financial plan points a comprehensive picture of your current finances, your financial goals, and any strategies you have set to achieve these goals. Good financial planning should include details about your cash flows, savings, debt, investment, insurance, and any other element of your financial life. You can create a financial plan either by yourself or with the help of professionals. Financial planning is not just for those with a high net worth. Anyone can benefit from creating a financial plan for themselves. With today's online services, it is easier and more accessible than ever to create a financial plans. It is important to keep in mind that financial planning is an ongoing process. You cannot simply make a plan and stick to it for the rest of your life. Things change and your financial plan will need adapting and updating as they do. Financial plan will need adapting and updating as they do. Your financial plan will also need a high quality, customized based on your risk tolerance, future expectation, and family situation.